Hello, my name is Gertrude P. Sherman, and I like to do lots and lots of hair. Now, hair is my prime specialty because I got lots of it. See here? See there? I got lots and lots of hair. So, when I grew up, I knew I wanted to be a hairstyling stylist. That was just my main goal in life. And I succeeded. I mean, I'm living at the top of my life, the top of my game. I'm living the dream, really. And yeah, I got lots of customers. You know, they come down here to Gertrude Hair Shack, and they get lots and lots of haircuts. Because I keep it real personal with my customers. Right, because I like to keep a good relationship with most of them, so they'll come back, and that's what happens, you know. You know, it works, so, I mean, sorry about that, I'm not real professional, but, that's what happens. So, I'm going to bring in one of my best customers down here. Her name is Agnes. Agnes is just a beautiful woman. She gets haircuts almost every week because her hair grows like the dickens. I mean, you cut one week and the next week it's just as long again. So, hey, Agnes, get on down here. She'll be coming. Oh, here she comes. Yes, I is. That's what I do best. I shoot my heels and cut some hair. So, get on in here. She's gonna come in a little bit. You just sit on your keister and wait, alright? Oh, here she comes. Oh, Gertrude, I just love you shooting your videos.
I know.
Your business.
Yep, it gets me lots and lots of customers.
Oh, bless your heart.
I know, Gertrude.
Oh.
I mean,
Gertrude. You just called me your own darn name. My name is Agnes.
Right, this is Agnes.
I'm Gertrude, as you most likely know, because how could you forget me?
She just gets so frazzled.
Her hair business. Bless her soul. She's so busy all the time cutting hair.
Darn me. Well, see here, this is this haircut I did for her. Now, see, as you can tell, obviously, I cut some layers off right here. You see that? Yeah. That keeps it real nice, shaped to her loveliness.
Oh, and I just love it when I get out of the shower and I blow dry it. It's like a picture frame of my face.
Yes, it frames her lovely bone-structured face. You see these cheeks? You see them? Well, they just compliment the dickens out of her. Now, with those lovely glasses she got, it just keeps the hair right back. So these bangs, you see these bangs? It all works out just a circle of life and hair. So, this is the Agnes P. Willoughby haircut, alright? So, this is what you get if you look like Agnes P. Willoughby, which not many people do, because